In this video, we will develop a GUI application using the Firebase Database feature. There are two entries and checkbox objects in the application. The values entered by the user will be saved to the Firebase database. I will enter two female, two male values. The values I enter are instantly saved to the database. We will do the application with you from scratch. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I am creating a Python code file. I need the API keys and functions from the previous lesson. I import the Customtkinter library to create a GUI. I am adjusting the window view. I choose blue as the color theme. I will create a window. I can do this with the CTK function. I adjust the window size with the geometry function. I use the main loop function to prevent the window from closing suddenly. We created an empty window. Now let's add the label objects. I will create a label object for name. I send the window name, text and color parameters to the label function. I add the object to the window using the place function. Label object has been added to the window. I will create a label object for surname. I can copy and paste. I am making the necessary arrangements. I change the Y coordinate. Label object for surname has been added to the window. Now I will create the entry objects. I create an entry object for name. I send the window name and text parameters to the entry function. I add it to the window with the place function. Entry object has been added to the window. I will create an entry object for surname. I can copy and paste. I am making the necessary arrangements. I change the Y coordinate. Entry object for surname has been added to the window. Now I will create the checkbox objects. I'm creating a variable for the checkbox. The value will be empty. I will use this variable in the checkbox function. I send the window name, text, variable, on value and off value values to the checkbox function. I add it to the window with the place function. The first checkbox object has been added to the window. I add the second checkbox object to the window. I can copy and paste. I am making the necessary arrangements. I change the x-coordinate. Checkbox object for female has been added to the window. Now let's add the button object. I send the window name, text, command values to the button function. Command is a task function for the button. It runs every time the button is clicked. I place the object in the window with the place function. I will create the task function with pass for now. The button has been added to the desktop window. Now let's create the task function. I will create two variables for the name and surname values entered by the user. I can save the values entered with get into variables. I also use the get function to access the gender variable. I will assign each entered value to a random number. For this, I import the random library. I am creating a random number variable. I am sending two parameters to the randint function. A random number will occur each time among the numbers sent. If the gender is male, I will create a template like this using the child and set functions. If the gender is female, I will use female employees instead of male employees. Now let's test the application. I enter my name and surname. I choose your gender. As soon as I click the button, the data is saved to the Realtime database. I will save 4 values. Note that data by gender is separated when saving. A random number is generated for each value. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.